Hello, good afternoon. Myself Himanshu. I am EC student. So I am making a chatbot. So here is the code of server side. First of all, we import three functions: import thread, import sockets, and import threading. Server side sockets creation. We assign in host socket dot get host name function. Then print host name host. So it is easy to understand for user. We assign port name any integers value except some keywords. We assign in s socket dot socket functions for socket creation. Further, we s dot bind host comma port socket binding. This line for socket binding. And for this line is socket dot listen 3. This is a request for server and user. Here 3 is for user can request server maximum 3 times to connect him. If server and user is not connected in 3 times, then all program is fail. Then print waiting for connection. Here we wait. Then create a client list code to allow user to send message. This whole functions is for client and server communication, send message and receive message. We make a functions connect new client and pass argument con, making a rule while true. If condition is true, then here we make client globally so we can access local variable inside this while loop. Message assign con dot receive 2048 dot decode. This is for decoding the message. Username this and message username plus message. Send to all passing two argument message comma con. Send to all is a function and this is a function call. Here we define send to call passing two argument, make client globally so we can access client value inside this function send to all. Make a loop client in clients. In client all value of clients are accessed one by one. Client dot send message dot encode, encoding the message because computer understand 0 1, it means binary language, and we understand normal language, so this is for encoding the binary to text message. Then again create a loop while loop con address equal to s dot accept. Here inside accept we passing socket dot sockets for socket creation. Then again print server connected to and print IP address of server which has connected to the client. Client dot append connections, connection dot send. This is name and this line is for making thread functions. Then we see the one GUI creation. For this we use tkinter, import kinter from tkinter import star. This is for importing all the library functions inside the kinter. Import socket, import thread. Assign three variables I, clients and starts. Client side socket creation. We make a function socket creations host equal to socket dot get host. Assign port any random integer. C equal to socket dot sockets. We are already seen this line in client side code. C dot connect host and port. Make client globally so we can access this inside this function socket creation. This line for thread functions, and again making a functions send message so user and client talk each other through this function. For receiving message, if it is connected, passing argument connection, if it is true, then receive message. If it is not true, then compiler not goes inside this function. This is globally assigned start, so we can access assign inside the receive message function. Here we can see we continue. So here we want to run this if only one time. That's why here we assign start equal to false and print message. This is for title of window. Message we give other name depend on user and coder. Message dot label, tkinter dot label, window, text message. It is on our window, and with 50 background this, foreigner ground this, font this is courier color, and this is text size. And then grading our message label. Without this code is not run. Then increase I equal to I plus 1. For creating window, we use kinter dot tk. Okay, then give title our chat box, creating chat box, so give title chat box, assign bg, padding in x, padding in y, and then adding some element in our window. So that's why we use entry. Text equal to tkinter dot entry. This is window, width equal to 50, background this, foreign this, font this, and relief this is for border styling. And then again grid this, so we can show this whole message in row and column font. This is column and this is row equal to 1, padding in x 5, padding in y 15. Grid is basically we can put data in Excel sheet like this. Button, this code for creating buttons, and give some attributes to button. Command passing a function send message. So this is if we press the button, then this function is run, and other side user send the message. Text equal to send, background this, foreign this, active background this, font courier, this is for text size, relief, padding in x3, and again use grid, so message are received and sent in row and columns form. This is for making thread functions, and this is very important, window dot main loop. Without this we cannot see our window loop. So this is whole code, and we see the results of this code here I make. So first of all we run client side, so connecting our computers, then chatbot, then again user 2 chatbot. Here you can see this is user first and this is user second. Here is the IP address of user 1 and user 2. So some practical. Hello. Here you see user 2 send a message hello, and user 1 receive message hello. Again user 1 send message to user 2 hello, and user 2 receive a message hello. So this is work properly. So this is my whole code, and I saw this is in practically. So thank you.